Alright, so just in case I get hacked, gotta record this. So Trash Monkey Horror, just got it. This guy's day is gone. I feel bad for him. Before I go into possible virus, I just like to say goodbye. Alright. 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 A looks legit. Looks legit. Oh wait, is this? No way. Backrooms. Oh my goodness, I remember when the backrooms was on here. Alright. It's a little bit quiet. But we got the old texture. Got the backrooms right here. Alright, we got Forest, GM Construct, Pool Rooms, Area 51, Starter Place. We go over here. Crawl Space 2. We got Maze, Next Spot, Spaceship, Question Mark, DevTown. Alright. Hey, we even got the droplets. Alright, let's go into City. Or at least what I think is City. Yep, it's City. Okay. Oh. Alright. We're in the city. This looks so fucking cool. Let's go up, see if there's any cosmetics I can buy. Nope, there's nothing. I'm gonna be naked. Also, not. Ooh, green screen room. Maybe there is something. Obama. Yeah, why don't these ones make noise either? More Obama. Obama. Alright, so, welcome to Trash Monkey Horror. I was pretty skeptical about this game. Checked the reviews. Seemed all good. It's not. I'm in the game right now. This is a virus. I'm actually being hacked right now. I'm joking. Looks good. I've actually haven't been here for I think 2023 for Monkey Horror, but I have seen this version like everywhere. Ready to get daily rocks? Yeah, me too. Me too, buddy. Oh wait, they locked up mountains. Oh damn it, this glass. Wanted to be out there in the blood rain, the bloody rain. Wait, if this is Old City, let me get up here. I think it was in second floor. Yep, right there. Yep, I know exactly what I must do. Damn it. It's not Old City. But here, let's go ahead and get into some maps. No, we're not fucking pressing that. That one's too scary. Now, here. Let's go into a light one, like Area 51. Alright, I'm pissing my pants. Just going anywhere they can. Which one of them fucking come right to me? What a side profile. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's go in. Oh, watch TS. Oh, fuck. Freddy fast, fuck. Yeah, you're not catching me anytime soon, pal. I'm too fast for your kind. Oh no! Oh my, what a juke. This is revolutionary. Bringing it A, they breakdancing. A. Ooh! Hey, they getting jiggy though. Ooh, where am I gonna go? Ooh. This way. Ooh, y'all suck. Ooh, y'all suck at gorilla tag. Roger. I remember this Roger. Alright, now we're gonna go this way. And you see that over there? We go into there, and we're getting out the map. Here comes Slender Man. This is ball knowledge. This spot is ball knowledge right here. But where we will be going, not GM Construct. That place is too scary. We're going in crawl space too. Here it is. Hey, the black spot that I always remembered. This was blocked off. These don't, I don't remember these being that big. But, hey, is there any way to leave? I don't think there's any way to leave. That's not good for me. And then, like, you take like I think a left, or a... Where are they? Where are they? Mama Coco? I hear you, Mama Coco. You're a loud motherfucker, aren't you? There you are, Mama Coco. Alright, but if you go like... Oh, was I just getting sturdy? Ooh, wait. Are you seeing this? I'm getting sturdy. Oh. 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 Oh, up and down. Up and down. Oh. Checking it out. And honestly, I don't regret it. Now let's go. I'm a little bit iffy about this one. Oh no, it's this place. It's place. It is quite literally place. He's yellow? And why is it so dark? I don't remember it being this dark. Remember him? Yes, they brought back white. They brought back white. That's the one thing I wanted. Okay, so now I want to go back. Because there's nobody in this game. And, I'm scared of this map. So, those two definitely went into the tunnel. They're coming out from there. Yes! They're on the water. Also, green small in this version. Okay. This is scary. Because there's basically no safe place. Besides up there. Which I don't know if I'm going to go on a teleporter for. Go. Teleporter time! And now that we're up here, we can look down at the map. We can look down at the map. And whoa, the fog is. They put the fog like. They made the fog like really heavy. Oh my. Mamma mia, bruh. Welcome to my pizza. So let's go to the bridge. This is fucking scary. I'm scared and I'm in a safe place. Is that red and white down there? Yep, that's red and white down there. Alright, so our plan is to get up there. Is that pink? Where's white? And okay. Fuck, I was about to jump down there. That would have been horrible. I would have had to fucking jump down there. Alright, there's red. Go. And if we have to jump, that sucks, because that's really fucking scary. Lights down there. Go up. Yep, we're making it. My goodness, I almost pissed myself. Alright. Made it on top. There's green right there. There's the tower. Alright, yellow's coming up. So I think I need to go somewhere else. I can't go back. I know where I can't go though. There's white. But I know where I can't go. Alright. 37. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Alright. Nobody's in. A, B, C. Nobody's in. Alright. I am scared because I want to check out Spaceship and question mark, which I'm fucking scared about, question mark. And that'll be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all in this game in the next like 4 maps. Yeah, that'll be it. Thank you so much, and see y'all in the next video. Also, I will see if this game has any other versions. Yeah, that'll be it for today's video. Join their Discord. Download the game. Play it, have fun. And, don't forget, no mods. Don't forget, this map is scary.